Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can improve sound quality on Spotify. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Spotify, click on your profile icon on the top left, then go to settings and privacy. Once you're on here, near the bottom, you should see media quality, so you want to click on that. This will give you a range of options to improve the quality. So you have option of low, normal, high and very high. So obviously if you want to improve your Wi-Fi streaming quality, just change it to very high. And the same with data quality as well. You can make that very high. You can turn off auto adjust if you want to do that. Then you have video streaming quality. Again, you can change it to very high. Cellular streaming quality as well. You can adjust that. And also download quality. You can make that very high as well. I'll just let you know, improve quality of existing downloads. So if you already have downloads and you haven't used the high quality, you'll be able to do that as well. So that's how you can improve the sound quality on Spotify. Thanks for watching.